Well, I've come to do the last square, and as you can see, I've put a template in here. We're going to use a template and really concentrate on the background rather than the foreground this time. I've taken this template and I have only just used this bit, the outer edge of it, and I've put that on, as you can see here. So then I've come back and I've taken, I've come back and I've used the centre of this and I've put it in to the centre of the square here. I've also, on this same stencil, taken just this corner and I've put it into each of the four corners. And before I began this, at the beginning I had my 9.5 inch square and I've put a diagonal line going right across so I can centre each of these templates, and I can centre these here as well. So we're really going to treat more of the background, but first of all we have to stitch all of this and then we'll deal with the background. So it's quite a nice little design, and it'll be another way of heavy quilting. It's not just a random quilt, it is a nice design to fill in on a blank square. I'm going to go around the very centre design first. And it flows quite nicely. And now we're going to come back and do these ones. So that's quite nice, and we've come round all of them. I will take away the blue in a moment and let you actually see the design before we go any further. So we'll take these ones and do these ones first. So we're just going to follow the lines of these. And then last of all we're going to do these ones. So we've come now and we've stitched around all the lines, and we need to take away the blue so that you can see it a little bit more, and I need to put this line in before we do that. And then we'll look at how we're going to fill it in and I might start from outside in here. I'm not quite sure yet. So we'll have a good look at it and we'll make a decision. But it looks quite good. Again, I'm going to go around and echo all around the stitching that we've just done. I will start along here. Come along the line. Then we're just going to echo a little bit around it before we do our background fill. I've moved over so that we can make good main design as well. To this corner, and as you can see I've started micro filling it, and I'm going to do Mama Bear, Papa Bear, Baby Bear. It's my favourite design for doing backgrounds, much better than mirandering and scribbling. It is so easy to do, and you can do it in any size. So first of all we're going to do 1 teardrop, 2 teardrops, 3 teardrops, and come in between. So we're going to do 1 teardrop, 2 teardrops, and come back round to the third. Because we're near the edge, we'll come back round to the fourth. And then we just come in again, 1 teardrop, 2 teardrops, 3 teardrops. And we just fill in this back space. Right up as far as the echoing that we've already got up here. So we're going to come right up to this echoing and up to this square, and we're going to go all the way around there and fill in the background, and we'll be left with this nice little heart shape, and then we'll deal with the centre. Turn the corner when you need to turn the corner, come in between them, give them a daddy bear, a grandpapa bear if that's what is needed to get you out of the space, and travel in between. And here we are practicing our micro quilting, which we always do. So I'm going to continue round and finish this outside area doing this micro quilting, and we'll come back at the end and we'll see how we're doing. I'm going to fill in these little bits in between. So I'm now echoing around the inside of these elements. And in the area in between here, I'm going to do little tiny petals. We're left with this, and I don't think I'm going to do anything more. I think I might just go round the actual design and deepen it a bit. I need to do some little repair here in these areas here. When I've come to the end of it, I thought these were not very pretty at all. So I'm going to do some repairs on these. Some are better than others, but let's have them. Looking as best they can. So where I've come up and down like this, I am now going to go this way round so that it gets filled in much better. A bit like an embroidery machine, which will go in 3 different directions to fill in a little point. I can see I didn't take as much care and attention as I should have done. But it's a good way to show you that you can repair after you've finished. When you're not happy with something, improve it afterwards. I'll cut all my threads, and I'm also going to go around and have a look around this where I've got 2 sets of lines here where I haven't quite been on a straight line. I'm going to repair them while I'm here.